Look at those little roosters, skeleton roosters, and I always like the little calves. Someone's called it a goat, and it's not a goat. It's a ghost cow in one of my last videos. What is that, Luke? Is that the little chickens? That's kind of, don't touch it like that. What all the stuff they got over here, Luke?
We have these.
What is that, a little frog?
Yeah, it's a frog. Turtle. Pig. Chicken. Cow. Pig.
Those cows and pigs look pretty neat. I like these here, the little chickens. Look at this lantern. I like black lanterns.
What is so loud?
I like that. Little beanies. What is that? I don't know. Hey, look, you see that? Where's 15% off Halloween decor right now? Oh, is that big giant? Is that a rat in the feed?
I think that's a coffin.
Like dog and cat. I like the little blankets there. I like the pig. Look at those little rats. Socks. Look at this guy, bud. What do you think about that guy? Pretty big guy, ain't it? Do they got anything on this other side?
Yeah.
Do they? I got some shirts. Look at the turkeys. Got turkeys. Look at the cow. Oh, roar. Yeah, jaw dropping. Look at that. Chick or treat. There's some more signs there. See, look how this one lights up, buddy. That's pretty. I like that. That could be a year-round thing. You know what? I like the little skull. Man, that's heavy. $40, yeah. Man, that. See these, Luke, like we got at the house. I like the Frankenstein. That could go with all my other Frankensteins. I like the witch. I like the pumpkin. I like that. Man, $10. Never mind. Something different. 15% off though. That's all they got, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. What you got?
Personality.
No, because I don't want it to jar off the 340. They're pretty cool looking. Alright, Luke, what do you think about the Tractor Supply decor?
It's crazy.
You ain't never seen a Tractor Supply have Halloween decor, have you? Usually we come in here and get deer corn to feed the deers and stuff like that. But it's pretty neat. They definitely got a lot more today than when I went like about a month ago at another location. But what's your favorite item here? I kind of like the eggs. Those eggs look pretty neat. Not too bad. All right, Luke. You want to say bye to? Oh yeah. Also 15% off. I know I already said it a couple times, but hey, not too bad. You guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Yeah, we're getting spooky. It's getting closer to October, but hey, we celebrate in September. We celebrated in August. So until next time.
Peace.
Peace.